Number 9, 10, and 11 is the bleeding that women experience, the minor bleeding, the istihadha, the major bleeding, the menstruation, and the nifas, which is the bleeding that a woman sees after giving birth. That also invalidates the wudu. So whenever a woman sees any of these blood, she's no longer in the state of wudu. What about regular bleeding? Some people have this misconception. If your hand gets injured and you bleed, right? Let's say you did wudu, you're about to pray, you got injured, or you had a bloody nose and the blood is gushing from your nose. Does that invalidate your wudu? No, it does not. Yes, clean your clothes because you have to be in a clean state, but you don't have to redo your wudu. Just clean it off, go wash it, and then go do your salah. So bleeding from injuries, that does not invalidate your wudu at all. I know some people have this misconception in their minds. However, that is not one of the things that invalidates the wudu.